Hi, my YouTube family. How are you today? I just wanted to make this little short video to address a couple of the comments that were made on one of my videos about the shade of my teeth. I choose the whitest of the white. And I did that because I had talked to several people, and they had all said the same thing, that with time, the teeth will fade a bit. My teeth are brand new. They're 3 months old. And they don't have a lot of wear and tear on them yet, so they do look very, very white. And I don't have a problem with having the white teeth. That was my personal choice. I don't like the fact that people are going to get on my channel and they're going to debate the color of someone's teeth, whether it be my teeth or anyone else who's going through this process. Now, if you've been through the process and you have chosen whatever color you have chosen, then by all means, I'll listen to what you have to say. But if you've not been through the process, you don't know the pain and suffering that goes with it, you don't know the humiliation and the emotional toil it takes on you to know that you're losing all of your natural teeth, that you're going to have to adjust to a prosthetic that's in your mouth, then you kind of really don't know what you're talking about. And why should I go through all this and spend all this money to have teeth that are cream colored or look more like my siblings' teeth? Why can't I be unique and have the color teeth that I want? Or anybody else, for that fact. If you're looking at someone who's 20, 25 years old, looking at having to have all their teeth removed and dentures put in, why can't they have white teeth? And when you talked about someone over 40 is not going to have these natural white teeth, you're wrong. There are a lot of people over 40 who have their natural teeth that are almost just as white as mine. Then there are some who put veneers over their natural teeth to make them just as white as mine. My teeth. And you know what? They still have their natural teeth. It's not quite as shocking to the system as having all your teeth removed. And when you're put into the dentist chair and you're asked to choose, you look at all the various shades. And I have been told by many people that the teeth will lose a shade or two throughout the years. And so I said, why not start out with the whitest of the white? Because they're going to lose some of their glimmer. I know one woman who's had the same set for 15 years. Her teeth look a natural white, but she started out with the whitest of the white. And to say that my teeth look plastic? Really? Come on now. I don't think my teeth look plastic. But my channel is all about encouraging those who are going through this process. And I worry more not about what you say about my teeth, but the effect that it would have on someone who would be watching the video, who is young and having to deal with all the emotions of losing their teeth at a young age and winding up with teeth that they're not happy with because they listened to somebody's comment that may or may not have gone through this process. And I've noticed that neither one of you have pictures of yourselves. So let's see your teeth. You know, what are you working with? I'm out here putting myself out to the world on a very embarrassing topic for a lot of people, because I want people to feel comfortable if you have to have dentures. Some people can afford cosmetic dentures, and so their teeth are going to look a lot more natural, or they can colorize them differently. Me, I had to go with the run-of-the-mill denture, and I think the majority of people do have to do that. So please try to keep your comments positive. I mean, you have your right to your opinion, but to come on and say that my teeth look plastic, that's pretty negative, and that's pretty much putting me down. And I just don't think that's necessary. It's a hard enough procedure to go through, and it's a hard enough experience to go through without people out there hating on you. You don't like the color of my teeth. Okay, that's fine. But don't discourage someone else because of your personal preference of the color of teeth. Personally, I like my teeth. If someone wants to look at my teeth and they're not quite sure if they're real or if they're not real, if they want to ask me, I'll be happy to tell them they're bought and paid for. And that's why they're so white. But it's improved my appearance. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll see what I started out with. And I don't ask you to understand why I chose the color I chose. But at least don't be negative about it. And don't get on the channel and start doing a lot of debates on what color teeth we should have. That's our personal preference on what color teeth we want to have. And though I appreciate your comments, I just don't want others to be negatively affected by your smart-ass comments about some things. And the one person, you know, who did say at the end, I'm just trying to help you, you know, look the best you can be. I appreciate that. The second person who commented, they weren't quite so nice. They were just kind of like, you know, I disapprove of you. I disapprove of the color of your teeth. And then they had a lot of other things to say. And if people don't want to have their teeth this white, then don't get teeth this white. But don't put people down who do. And don't discourage others who are getting ready to go through the process of having white teeth for a period of time in their lives, if that's what they want. So, you know, that's just my little rant for the day. I love my teeth, and I like them being the color they are, and I work to keep them as white as I possibly can. But they're 3 months old only. They don't have a lot of wear and tear. Give them a year, and some of the shininess is going to wear off of them with eating and drinking and doing all the things that you do with your mouth. But until that time comes, I mean, you know, cut people a break. And I'm sure I'm not the only video you've gotten on and said something about their teeth. You know, try to be nice and try to be understanding. And if you've gone through this process, then shame on you, even more shame on you. Because people who go through the process, they understand. It's a lot of decisions to be made, and it's a lot of pain and suffering you go through. It's a lot of adjustments you go through. And, I mean, just keep it nice. That's all I want. Thank you. Bye.